Now we are going into Gardens Flower Dome. We bring this little girl. Little girl. This is a Canadian foreigner girl. So we're going to buy a ticket so we can go inside the gardens by the Bay Flower Dome. Now, if you pay a DBS, you get 10% discount. If not, you get $10 for local. Yeah, normal. I'm normal, not abnormal.
I like your camera.
If you are a foreigner, you'll pay more
You see my face
expensive.
now? I go to make up my face nice, right?
Ah,
I show you my camera. You know what happened?
this is our ticket for the Flower Dome. Yes, we buy the ticket already. Morning, three of us. Ay, sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. So, Miko, welcome to the Flower Dome.
Yes.
Enjoy your day.
Uh-huh.
Wow, so nice. Very cool. Very good aircon.
This that's way.
Yeah.
Ellie. Kenapa my camera so ugly?
Ah, very nice. Aircon, aircon, aircon. It's New Zealand team. New Zealand team.